Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about air pumps. And some of you going, air pumps? Yeah, there are a whole bunch of different type of air pumps. Some you'll never need, some you will need a lot. The most common type of air pump is your bicycle pump. You use it for inflating bicycle tires, wheelbarrow tires, even your car tire if you have to. So think about air pumps. There's also air pumps that you can use for fish aquariums to pump air into it, keep the water aerated so the fish can breathe. You can also use air pumps to re-aerate your water storage so it doesn't taste all flat and nasty, because water without air in it tastes ugh. So think about all the things you might use an air pump for, including air mattresses, flotation devices in the pool during summertime. All right, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, and skills. I'm going to leave out here at the very end here. I'm going to put up some links for you guys. Camp Patton Family Compound up here. Prepping for beginners here. Prepping in private playlists there. And these are for you to get ways to learn ways to share, to get your neighbors and friends prepared so they don't come after your stuff and leave you, well, like this.